Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your hard drive to your smart TV. So if you have an external hard drive and you want to connect it with your smart TV, you can simply connect it through the USB port that is available on the right side of your smart TV. So for example, I'm just going to go and connect it with the USB port. And as soon as I have connected the USB of my external hard drive, a prompt is going to show up to let me know that if I want to open it or not. And I can simply open my external hard drive from here. And from here on, I can go to the USB storage and open my external hard drive. So one thing to keep in mind is that the USB should not be in the NTFS format. It should be in the FAT32 format in order to support the TCL Smart TV. So you should format your external hard drive in the FAT32 format before inserting it to your Smart TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.